In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to standardize workflows with bundles in Asana. We'll walk through the basic process of getting to bundles inside a project, and I'll explain what's happening at each step so you know why you're doing it, not just where to click. First, start by opening the Asana project where you want to standardize your workflow. This should be a project that you and your team use regularly, like a marketing campaign board, a product roadmap, or a client onboarding project. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have the right access to edit the project settings, since bundles affect how that project is structured. Once your project is open, look toward the top right area of the screen for the Customize option. This is usually near the project title and view settings. Click on Customize. This panel is where you control many of your project's structural elements, such as fields, rules, templates, and more. Bundles live here because they're designed to help you reuse and standardize those elements across multiple projects. Inside the Customize panel, look for the Bundles section and click on Bundles. Bundles let you group together things like custom fields, rules, layouts, and other configuration pieces so they can be applied consistently to different projects. Using bundles keeps your workflows aligned, reduces manual setup, and makes onboarding new team members much easier, since every project of a certain type will behave the same way. When you click Bundles, Asana may inform you that this feature requires a higher plan. If you see a message asking you to upgrade, that means bundles are not available on your current subscription. Take a moment to review the details shown on screen. You might see information about pricing, what's included, and how bundles fit into the plan level you're upgrading to. It's a good idea to confirm internally that an upgrade makes sense for your team, especially if you'll be using advanced workflow features regularly. If you decide to proceed, simply follow the on-screen